Good day, sir. For my reflection about Chapter 2, Unpacking the Self, I chose the topic Human Sexual Behavior. I learned that human sexual behavior is not just about physical attraction or reproduction, but it also deeply connected to our emotions, values, and personal identity. It helps us understand who we are, how we relate to others, and how we express love and intimacy different ways. This topic made me realize that sexuality is a natural part of being human, and it should be respected and understood, not judged or misunderstood. It also reminds me how important education and open communication are, so that people can make responsible and health decision about their bodies and relations. And that's all. Thank you.